this is Lori with Rockenco Crafts. I want to thank you for joining me. Today I'm going to do the update video on the Large Skull Mold mini-series. If you haven't watched that series, I will put a link to it at the end of this video. And as a reminder, my daughter-in-law asked me to pour her a large skull. And she only had one criteria, that being that it not be creepy. So I did pour 3 using 3 different ideas. So today I hope to update you on 1, letting you know which one she chose, and number 2, which one got the most comments, most likes, dislikes, whatever the case may be. So here is the first one, and this is the one that I used just the decorative stone on. This is number 1, and it's so pretty. Number 2 is the one where I use the real flowers and the Let's Resin butterflies. Again, it's just really pretty. And number 3 is the one where I use the Dollar Tree fringe. It's colorful, but no, I don't think it's as good as the other 2 simply because there's not enough negative space in it. Let me move that light base. So here's number 3, number 2, and number 1. So which one did she choose? She chose number 2. And which one did the viewers choose? You chose number 1. I really enjoyed doing this series, and I want to thank you for watching. Thank you for your comments, your likes, your shares, your subscribes. Thank you so much for supporting this small channel. I want to thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time. Thanks.